In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use approvals in Asana. Approvals are perfect when you need a clear yes, no, or changes needed decision on work like designs, proposals, or budgets. Instead of chasing confirmation in chat or email, you can turn a regular task into an approval so the decision is obvious, trackable, and tied to the work itself. Start by opening the task you want reviewed. This could be something like draft homepage copy or Q3 budget outline. Inside the task, look toward the top right corner for the three-dot icon. Click it to open the More Actions menu, then choose Mark as Approval. The task instantly becomes an approval task. You'll see visual cues that distinguish it from a standard task, and the decision buttons will be available to the person responsible for approving. Marking a task as an approval signals to everyone that the outcome is a decision, not just a completion. Before you invite someone to approve, make sure the task has everything they need. Add the latest files or links in the attachments area, include a brief summary in the description to set context, and use comments to note what changed since the last review. If timing matters, add a due date so the approver knows when a decision is expected. Keeping everything in one place prevents back and forth and keeps the decision audit ready. When it's time to decide, the approver will see clear options such as approve, request changes, or reject. Approving closes the loop and logs the decision right on the task with a timestamp. Requesting changes keeps the task moving while clarifying what needs to be updated. Comments are great here to outline exactly what to adjust. Rejecting is useful when the work shouldn't proceed as is, and it ensures that status is visible to anyone following the task. Regardless of the choice, the task's activity feed records what happened so you have an easy paper trail. If you don't see the Mark as Approval option, make sure you're looking at the correct task menu and that you have the right access in the project. Sometimes this option is tucked under More Actions, so be sure to expand that menu fully. That's all there is to it. Open the task, use the three-dot menu, and select Mark as Approval. With that one action, you make expectations crystal clear, reduce ambiguity, and capture a documented decision where the work lives. Try it on your next review cycle to streamline sign-offs and keep your team in sync.